Hello there. Welcome to Poly English. So before we begin, I have few questions first. Can you hear me? Nice. Can you see me clearly? That's great. And is my speaking speed okay with you? Or do I need to slow down? Perfect. Now, let me introduce myself. I am teacher Anafe. How about you? What is your name? Cindy. Nice to meet you, Cindy. Can you say my name is Cindy? Very good. Now, how are you feeling today, Cindy? Are you happy or sad? Wow, I am happy that you are happy too. And so, are you ready to begin our lesson today? Great. Now, let's get started. The title of our lesson today is Can Only Birds Fly? Can you say can only birds fly? Very good. Now, what do you see in the picture, Cindy? What do you see? Yes, very good. That's correct. A bird. Great job, Cindy. Now, can you say, I see a bird? Perfect. Now, can birds fly, Cindy? Yes, can they fly? Great, that's correct. Birds can fly. How about you, Cindy? Can you fly? Of course not. We cannot fly because we don't have our wings. Okay, we cannot fly because we don't have wings. That's correct. Great job, Cindy. Now, let's proceed to the next page. Now, I want you to look at the picture. And what do you see in this picture, Cindy? Yes, that's correct. Many animals. Now, this time, Cindy, I want you to encircle, okay, encircle all the animals that you know and tell me the name of those animals, okay? Great. Now, what animals do you know, Cindy? Yes, it's a dog. That's correct. Now, what is the sound of a dog? Can you say it again? Arf, arf. Perfect. Now, what else do you know? Yes, it's a cat. That's correct. Now, can you say the sound of a cat? Yes, that's correct. Can you say it again? Perfect. Now, what else? It's a monkey. That's correct. Well done, Cindy. What else? It's a bird. And how about this one, Cindy? Do you know what is this? It's an elephant. Can you say it again? Elephant. Awesome. Now, how about this one? What is that? It's a tiger. That's correct. And how about this? An animal that has a long neck. It's a giraffe. That's correct. Okay, last one. How about this? It's a penguin. Can you say it again? Penguin. One more time, Cindy, please. Penguin. Very good. Because of that, I want you to give high five. Great job, Cindy, and I will give you this sticker because you did it. Great job, Cindy. Now, let's proceed to the next. Let's look and say. Okay, so I want you to listen and follow after me. Is that okay, Cindy? Great. Now let's begin. You say, "Hi there. Are you a bird?" One more time, Cindy. "Hi there. Are you a bird?" Perfect. Now, so let's proceed to the next. Yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. One more time, Cindy, please. Yes, I am an owl. Birds. Very good. Can you say this word again? Owls. One more time. Owls. Perfect. Now, so let's proceed to the next. Now, what do you see in the picture, Cindy? What do you see? Yes, an owl. Okay, you say, "I see an owl." One more time. "I see an owl." Great. Now let's have this word. You say owl. Okay, repeat after me, Cindy. Owl, 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 owl. Perfect. Now, so how many owl do you see? Yes? Okay, only one owl. That's correct. Okay, because of that, I will give you this sticker again. Amazing. Okay, next, let's proceed to the next page. Oh, what do you see in this picture? Okay, owls again. Now, how many owls do you see? Okay, let's count them together. We have one and two. Okay, can you say, "I see two owls"? One more time, Cindy. "I see two owls." Very good. Now let's read these words. Owls. Okay, repeat after me. Owls, owls, owls. Great, that's correct. Now, so let's proceed to the next. Let's look and say, how many owls do you see, Cindy? Yes, let's count them together. We have one, two, three, and four. Okay, you say, "I see four owls." Okay, one more time, Cindy. "I see four owls." Great. Okay, give me a high five again. Great job, Cindy. Now let's read the sentence here. Owls. Okay, repeat after me. Owls are birds. One more time, Cindy. Owls are birds. That's correct. Now, so let's proceed to the next. Now, this time, Cindy, I want you to drag, drag the correct wings for the owl. Okay, let's identify which is the wings for the owl. Okay, is this the wings for the owl? Yes or no? No, very good. It's not the wings for the owl. How about the second? Is it the right or wrong? Great. That is the wrong wings for the owl. How about the last one here? Is it the correct or the wrong wings? Great. That is the correct wings for the owl. Now let's drag this one. Let's have it here. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's have this here. here. Perfect. Now, so let's read the sentence here. Owls, okay, repeat after me. Owls have got wings. One more time. Owls have got wings. Perfect. Because of that, I will give you this sticker again. Good job. Good job, Cindy. Now, so let's watch a video. Okay, now it starts now. Okay, now can owls fly, Cindy? Can they fly? Yes. Now you say owls can fly. One more time, Cindy. Owls can fly. Great job, Cindy. Now let's proceed to the last page. Let's look and read. Okay, now let's read the sentences here. Okay, so first, owls are birds. One more time, Cindy. Owls are birds. Great. Now let's proceed to the second. Owls have got wings. One more time. Owls have got wings. Perfect. Now let's have the last one. Owls can fly. One more time. Owls can fly. Great job! Now, so this ends our lesson for today, Cindy. Okay, I hope you learned and enjoy our lesson today. Now, so thank you for your cooperation and God bless. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.